Yes, perfect landing. No. Ah! Huh? What? Where are we now? Oh, come on. Oh, come on, dude. Help me. This guy is trying to eat me. Bum. Don't you have something else to you? Like atomic breath? King Kong, just help. Oh, you're trying to bite me. No. Get off him. What do you think you do? Oh. Well, the beast is ugly. Oh, no! Ha! He ripped off his own. Monkey, are you okay, dude? Oh, no! The beast is ugly. Hold it! Stop! Just stop! I don't like you. Just get out of here. Or else your tail is gone. Here, have it. Then I might start chasing you. Well, that was unexpected, right? I mean, we almost died. You almost died. Oh, come on. Dun. Wait, that's not the end. Oh, wait, we forgot to say it. That's all, folks. Dun. I'm okay.